Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. 1-methyl-1-cyclohexyl hydroperoxide undergoes acid-catalyzed H3O+, Hock rearrangement, similar to the cumene hydroperoxide process. The O bond cleaves heterolytically with migration of a carbon substituent, ultimately opening the ring and giving a cleavage product. Moving on to the next step. In acid, the O is protonated and water leaves, forming a carbocation oxocarbenium species. A 1,2 carbon shift, ring carbon migrates, occurs from the tertiary carbon to the electrophilic oxygen, causing ring opening. The cyclohexane ring opens to give a linear chain containing both a ketone and an alcohol functionality. Moving on to the next step. The starting hydroperoxide has the formula C7H14O2, 1-methylcyclohexyl is equal to C7H13, plus O adds O2H, total C7H14O2. The product P retains C7H14O2, no atoms are lost, consistent with a rearrangement rather than fragmentation. And for the final step, positive iodoform test requires CH3C is equal to O methyl ketone or CH3CH or group. A methyl ketone, CH3CO, satisfies this. Positive 2,4-DNP test indicates a carbonyl group, ketone or aldehyde. Positive CRO3 test indicates an oxidizable group, i.e., a secondary alcohol or primary alcohol or aldehyde. Since 2,4-DNP is also positive, there is both a carbonyl and an alcohol. The ring has 6 carbons, with the methyl at C1 opening gives a 7-carbon chain. The Hock rearrangement of 1-methylcyclohexyl hydroperoxide opens the ring such that the methyl ketone end CH3CO forms at one end and a primary alcohol, CH2O, forms at the other end of the chain. CH3C is equal to O, CH2, 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 CH2O. Molecular formula C7H14O2. Positive iodoform test CH3CO group present. Positive 2,4-DNP ketone present. Positive CRO3 primary alcohol present. All 3 tests are satisfied. Option A CH3CO CH2 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 CH or CH3 has a secondary alcohol. Iodoform would also be positive from CH3CO, but the structure doesn't arise cleanly from ring opening. Option B similar issue, secondary alcohol at C4 position. Option D the branched structure with gemdimethyl doesn't arise from a simple ring opening Hock rearrangement of this substrate. Option C is the straight chain 7-oxoheptane 1-ol 7-hydroxy-2-heptanone, which is the correct Hock rearrangement product of 1-methyl-1-cyclohexyl hydroperoxide, satisfying all 3 chemical tests. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.